Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how to make your Airbnb property more appealing to guests? Well, the secret lies not just in the location or amenities, but also in the aesthetics of your space. That's right, interior design and staging are key ingredients in attracting guests and creating memorable experiences. Picture this. Your guests walk into your property and are immediately drawn to the harmonious color scheme, the thoughtful furniture arrangement, and the tasteful decor. They feel at home, comfortable, and already start planning their return visit. That's the magic of a well-designed and aesthetically pleasing space. Interior design and staging might sound complex, but they don't have to be. It's all about understanding your space and making thoughtful choices that reflect your taste and meet your guests' needs. In this video, we'll break down the process of interior design and staging into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So stick around and let's create some beautiful spaces together. Interior design isn't just about making a space look good. It's about creating an environment where guests feel comfortable and at home. Interior design is a delicate art form that blends aesthetics, functionality, and psychology. It's about more than just selecting the right furniture or paint color. It's about creating a space that feels welcoming, reflects the unique personality of your property, and makes your guests want to return. Let's start with color schemes. Colors have a profound effect on our mood and perception of space. Warm colors like reds, yellows, and oranges can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere, while cool colors like blues and greens can give a room a serene, tranquil feel. Neutral colors, on the other hand, provide a versatile backdrop that allows other elements in the room to shine. The key is to choose a color palette that complements the natural lighting, architectural features, and overall vibe of your property. Next, let's talk about furniture arrangement. The way furniture is arranged can significantly impact how a room feels and functions. A well-planned layout can make a small room feel spacious, a large room feel cozy, and any room feel comfortable. Remember, the goal is to facilitate ease of movement and conversation. Create focal points, use furniture to define spaces, and always consider the flow of traffic. Lastly, we have decor choices. Decor is the finishing touch that brings a room to life. It's where your property's unique personality really shines through. Choose decor that complements your color scheme and furniture arrangement. Think about the textures, patterns, and materials that will add depth and interest to the room. And remember, less is often more. A room cluttered with decor can feel overwhelming, while a room with carefully chosen pieces can feel curated and sophisticated. In essence, good interior design is about creating a cohesive look and feel. It's about making every element in the room work together to create a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also comfortable, functional, and inviting. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to the practical steps of staging your property. Staging is all about presenting your property in the best possible light. It's the art of preparing your home for viewers, making it appealing and inviting. Now let's dive into the practical steps to staging your property. First off, decluttering is key. It's all about creating a blank canvas for potential guests. You want them to imagine themselves in your space, and a clutter-free environment aids in achieving that. Remove any personal items, excess furniture, and knickknacks. The goal is to make the space feel larger and more open. Next, creating focal points is crucial. These are areas that immediately draw the eye and make a statement. It could be a cozy reading nook by the window, a beautiful piece of artwork, or even a stunning view from the balcony. Focal points add character to your space and make it memorable. Now let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can transform a space, making it warm and inviting. Experiment with different levels of light, such as ambient lighting for a gentle glow, task lighting for specific activities, or accent lighting to highlight architectural features or artwork. Natural light is also a winner, so be sure to make the most of it by keeping window areas clear. Remember, staging is not just about the physical space, it's also about how you present it online. High-quality photos are essential in showcasing your property's best features. They help potential guests to visualize the space even before they step foot in it. Ensure these photos are professional, well lit, and capture the unique aspects of your property. Finally, remember that staging is an ongoing process. Keep your property clean, tidy, and ready for viewing at all times. Regular maintenance, such as fixing leaks, repainting walls, or updating decor, can keep your property looking fresh and appealing. With these tips, your property will be looking its best in no time. Staging might seem like a daunting task, but with a bit of effort and creativity, you can create a space that not only looks great, but also feels like home to your guests. Choosing the right decor can make or break your interior design. It's the cherry on top that brings your space to life, ties your design elements together, and creates an atmosphere that can charm your guests and make their stay memorable. Firstly, it's crucial to select decor that complement the property's style. If your property has a rustic charm, for instance, opt for decor elements like vintage furniture, reclaimed wood pieces, or handmade ceramics. On the other hand, if your property has a modern and sleek vibe, go for minimalist decor with clean lines and geometric shapes. Now you might wonder, how can I make my decor appeal to a wide range of guests? The key here is balance. Find a middle ground between generic and overly personalized. Too generic, and your space may lack character. Too personalized, and guests might feel like they're intruding in someone else's space. Aim for a universal appeal. Think classic wall art, comfortable throw pillows, or beautiful coffee table books. These are items that most people appreciate, regardless of their personal taste. Another practical tip is to use decor to highlight your property's best features. A gorgeous fireplace could be accentuated with a striking mantel display. A stunning view could be framed with stylish curtains or drapes. So, where can you find affordable and stylish decor items? Thrift stores and flea markets are gold mines for unique, budget-friendly pieces. Online marketplaces like Etsy and eBay are also great places to hunt for one-of-a-kind items. Don't forget local artisans and crafters who can provide you with unique handmade pieces that can add a touch of authenticity to your space. Remember, less is often more. Avoid cluttering your space with too many items. Each decor piece should serve a purpose, whether it's to add color, texture, or just to spark joy. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels like a home away from home for your guests. Your decor isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an atmosphere that invites relaxation and happiness. So take your time, have fun with it, and let your property tell its own unique story. Once you've created a beautifully designed and staged property, the work isn't over. Far from it, in fact. Like a well-oiled machine or a prized racehorse, your property needs regular care and attention to keep it in top form. Let's start with the basics. Regular cleaning is a must. This might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. A sparkling clean property is a joy to behold and will always earn top marks from guests. Whether you choose to do the cleaning yourself or hire a professional service, make sure every nook and cranny is dusted, vacuumed, and polished to perfection. But what about wear and tear? It's inevitable, especially if your property is popular. Little scratches here, a worn corner there, they all add up. To handle this, conduct thorough inspections between guests. Look for signs of wear and tear and address them promptly. A stitch in time saves 9, as they say. Next, maintenance isn't just about fixing things. It's about keeping your property fresh and enticing. This could mean refreshing the decor seasonally, adding a new piece of artwork, or even swapping out the soft furnishings for a quick and easy update. These small changes can make a big difference to the overall look and feel of your property, keeping it fresh and exciting for each new guest. Remember to maintain your outdoor spaces too. A well-manicured lawn or a clean and inviting patio can be the cherry on top for many guests. Regular gardening, pressure washing patios, and ensuring outdoor furniture is clean and in good condition are all part of the maintenance routine. Finally, don't forget about those all-important safety checks. Fire alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, and any other safety equipment should be checked and serviced regularly to ensure they're in good working order. By keeping your property well maintained, you'll ensure it continues to attract guests and receive great reviews. It's all about creating that unforgettable guest experience, from the moment they walk through the door to the moment they leave. And who knows, they might just love it so much they'll come back again and again. So, you see, interior design and staging don't have to be overwhelming tasks. We've journeyed through the essence of interior design, understanding how color schemes, light, space, and furniture arrangement can truly transform your Airbnb property. We've also explored practical staging tips, ensuring your property not only looks appealing, but feels welcoming too. Choosing the right decor, is another crucial aspect we've delved into. Remember, it's about creating a harmonious balance that reflects both your style and the comfort of your guests. We've also discussed the importance of maintaining your property, ensuring that it remains in top-notch condition and continues to attract guests. This journey through design and staging is all about creating a space that resonates with your guests, a space they'll remember and want to come back to. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating an Airbnb property that guests will love. Happy hosting!